Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Davis, also known as Brown and Vindy, and on this channel, we practice flexibility of the mind, the body, and the spirit. Today I have a super quick video. I want to talk about this amazing YouTuber who has opened my eyes to how I see law of attraction, to how I see the world, and just opened my general perspective. And his name is Mark Haughton. And he is just overall wonderful. Very smart guy. I will link his channel in the description box below. He has this amazing rule regarding law of attraction, and he talked about it in his last video, and this rule he refers to as the 1-5 rule. For every one negative thought he gets, he thinks 5 positive thoughts, and he recommends this to his clients, his subscribers. I'm his subscriber, so he recommended it to me. Okay, so I tried it. I've been doing it for 2 days, and a world of difference. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I've been on this like positivity wave for a pretty good minute, and I'm a generally happy person, but I love talking about subconscious beliefs, and them subconscious beliefs will be the ones to get you, right? And you won't even know it. You won't even know it. So what the 1-5 rule does is it encourages us to be aware enough to say, hey, I don't like that thought. Let's start out and replace it with 5 things I do like. Something I really like about the 1-5 rule is that I feel like personally, I see a more realistic view of the world. And I think that the 1-5 rule can help a lot of people see a more realistic view of the world. We live in a society where everything is talking about how negative everything is. Television, magazines, radio, like music and stuff talks about what we lack, what we don't have, what could be better. And that encourages a type of thinking that's very deprived. And what I like about the 1-5 rule is when you think of something you don't have, or when you think of something in the negative realm, you are forced to remember what you do have, because in reality, we do have more than we lack. We're just not taught that, so we don't really realize it. This technique has helped me keep my vibrations all the way up, and that's really the point. In order to attract what you want to attract, in order to manifest what you want to manifest, you got to make sure that your vibration matches all that cool shit you want to manifest. So thank you, Mark, and just thanks, yeah. And thank you guys for watching. I am happy to make this video because I watch a bunch of different YouTubers, and I think I'm gonna make this a thing because the spiritual community on YouTube, it's starting to become interconnected. And I was talking to my friend about this the other day, and I was just saying, how cool would it be if the spiritual community on YouTube was the new like beauty community? Because the spiritual community, we're never going to have that type of drama because most of us are a little too aloof to really engage in stuff like that. But more so, like, what if it was just the new wave? And what if affirmations were the new wave? And what if conscious thinking was the new wave? And we're on a shift as a planet, a spiritual shift. So I guess that has to reflect in technology soon. So anyway, the point behind me saying all of that is, by sharing what we learn from other people's videos, we can start interconnecting this community and growing. I'm in a really good mood today. Yeah, I don't know. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you next video. If you liked this one, make sure that you are subscribed, that you like it, and that you comment. I will see you next video. Bye!